The impure 6 grams of NaCl is dissolved in water and then treated with excess of silver nitrate solution. The weight of precipitate of silver chloride is found in to be 14 gram of a percent purity of NaCl solution would be 95%. 25.4 gram of I2 and 14.2 gram of Cl2 are made to react completely to yield a mixture of mod C and mod C3. The mile of mod C and mod C3, the mole of mod C and mod C3 formed is respectively 0.1, 0.1. The vapor density of a mixture containing NO2 and N2O4 is 38.3. The mole of NO2 in a 100 gram mixture is 0.437. The vapor density is equal to molar mass per 2. Copper forms 2 oxides for the same amount of copper. Twice as much oxygen was used to form first oxide than to form second one. 2:1 is the ratio of the vaccines of copper in first and second oxides. 5 ml of gaseous hydrocarbon was exposed to 30 ml of O2. The resultant gas on cooling is found to measure 25 ml, of which 10 ml is absorbed by NaOH and the remainder by Proglol. Determine molecular formula of hydrocarbon. All measurements are made at constant room temperature C3H4. 60 ml of a mixture of nitrous oxide and nitric oxide was exploded with excess of hydrogen. If 38 ml of N2 was formed, calculate the volume of each gas in the mixture. The almost all measurements are made at constant P and T is 44 ml plus 16 ml. 2.0 gram sample containing Na2CO3 and NaHCO3 is losses 0.248 gram. When heated to 300 degrees Celsius, the temperature at which NaHCO3 decomposes to Na2CO3, CO2 and H2O is the percentage of Na2CO3 is mixture 66.5. A sample of CaCO3 and MgCO3 weighted 2.21 gram is ignited to constant mass of 1.152 gram. What is the composition of a mixture? Also calculate the volume of CO2 evolved at 0 degrees Celsius and 76 centimeter of pressure 540 ml. The average molar mass of the mixture of CH4 and C2H4 pressure in the mole ratio of A is to B is 20 gram mole power minus 1. When the mole ratio is reversed, the molar mass of the mixture will be 24 gram. Vapor density of a volatile substance is 4. CH4 is equal to 1. Its molar mass would be 64. The hemoglobin from the red blood corpuscles contain approximately 0.33% iron by mass. The molar mass of hemoglobin is 67,200. The number of iron atoms is each molecule of hemoglobin is 4. Atomic ohmic mass of iron is 54. The vapor density of volatile chloride of mutual is 95 and the specific heat of the metal is 0.13 cal per gm. The equivalent mass of the metal will be 12 gram. N2 plus O2 plus He mixture is lighter than humid air. CO2 is absorbed by turpentine oil. Statements: yes, an element may have variable equivalent mass. Explanation E. Such elements should possess variability valency. Both S and E are correct, and E is correct explanation of S. 0.5 gram of forming H2SO4 oleum is diluted with water. The solution required 26.7 ml of 0.4 NaOH for complete neutralization. Find the percentage of free SO3 in the sample of oleum. Also report percent of oleum solution. 104.68%. Calculate the mass of CaO required to remove the hardness of 10 to the power of 6 liters of water containing 1.62 gram of calcium bicarbonate per liter. 5.6 into 10 to the power of 5. At 100 degrees Celsius, 1 atom if the density of liquid water is 1.0 gram centimeter power minus 3 and that of water vapor is 0.0006 grams cm power minus 3. Then the volume occupied by water molecules in liter of steam at that temperature will be 0.6 cm cube. The hydrate salt Na2SO4 NH2O undergoes 55% loss in weight on heating and becomes anhydrous. The value of N will be 10. 10 gram of silver coin when dissolved completely in excess of CONC HNO3 gives 8.5 grams of silver nitrate. The percentage purity of the coin is 54%. The molarity of pure water is 55.5 meter. 55.5 m. A bottle of H3PO4 solution contain 70% W by W acid if the density of the solution is 1.54 gram centimeter inverse 3. The volume of the H3PO4 solution required to prepare 1 liter of 1N solution is 30 ml. The density of a 2M aqueous solution of NaOH is 1.08 gram per centimeter cube. The total molarity of the solution is 1.67 m. Molecular mass of NaOH is equal to 40 grams mole inverse 1. Assertion: 1 gram O2 and 1 gm O3 have a number of oxygen atoms. Reason: O2 and O3 have different molar masses. Both assertion and the reason are true, and the reason is not a correct explanation as the assertion. In a closed vessel, 50 ml of A2B3 completely reacts with 200 ml of C2 according to the following equation: 2A2B3 G plus 5C2 G gives 3C3 B2 G plus Ca. The composition of the gaseous mixture in the system will be 75 ml C2, 75 ml C3, B2, 25 ml Ca4. On complete combustion, 44 gram of a sample of a compound gives 88 grams CO2 and 36 grams as H2O. The molecular formula of the compound must be C2H4O. The maximum number of atom is present in the following is 1 gram of LiS. The same number of molecular as 16 gram of dioxygen is present in 32 gram SO2. The number of moles present in 2.5 liters of 0.2 m H2SO4 or 0.5. 1 mole of electrons weight is 0.54 mg. 0.5 moles of CO2 is the odd one with regards to mass of 1 gram atom of sulfur. 1 mole of O2, 3 into 10 to the power of 23 mole of SO2. The weight of a molecule of a compound C6O H122 is 1.4 into 10 to the power of minus 21 gram. Breakfast cereals is advertised to contain 110 mg of sodium, 100 grams of cereals. The presence of sodium in the cereals is 0.110%. The percentage weight of Zn is white virtual ZnSO4 7H2O is approximately equal to Zn65, S is equal to 32, O is equal to 16 and H is equal to 1 is 22.65%. A gaseous mixture contains O2 and N2 in the ratio 1:4 by weight. Then the ratio of the number molecules in the mixture is 7:32. 1 cc N2O at STP contains 1.32 per 224 into 10 power 23 electrons, 6.02 per 22,400 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules, 1.8 per 224 into 10 power 22 atom. Silver, a fine molar solution of H2SO4 is diluted from 1 liter of to a volume of 10 liters. The normality of the solution will be 1.0 N. If 0.50 mole as BaCl2 is mixed with 0.20 mole Na3PO4, the maximum number of moles as Ba3PO4 twice that can be formed is 0.10. If equal moles of water and urea are taken in a vessel, the mass percentage of urea in the solution will be 76.92. Sodium bicarbonate on heating decomposes to form sodium carbonate CO2 and water if 0.2 moles of sodium bicarbonate is completely decomposed. 0.1 moles of sodium carbonate is formed.